Hey everyone, so how to install Western Union app on iOS? So yeah, just go to App Store, tap Get here. Then you need to confirm with your Touch ID or password Face ID if you're on iOS. There's a bit different process on Android, but anyways, pretty the same. And just download. And then the size is 80 megabytes. Of course, it's a free app. One of the most popular apps to send money, Western Union. It's still like an old company, but seems the app is pretty good because it has a lot of trust and it's just trusted kind of company. So yeah, let's just see what's needed. And I just tap open. And then I just need to select language and I just need to register my account. I can select my language. And that's that. I can enable notifications and let's see if I can. So I can even start sending money uh, without creating an account. And then how the receiver will get it. Uh, and there you have it. But after that, you will still need to create an account. So that's how it works.